Alhamdulillah, today I am so happy and I am so excited because I have got the silver play button from YouTube. Actually, I have got this play button from my another YouTube channel, so that's why today I am feeling good. Actually, it is directly come from USA, and so at first I am thankful to Allah for this award, and secondly I am thankful to my all subscribers, all supporters, because if they didn't subscribe me I would never get it. So thank you all, and thank you very much YouTube for giving me it. By the way, right now I am so excited. Actually, I want to unbox it, so please let me unbox it. Alright, this is my YouTube play button box, you can see. So before unboxing, I want to say one thing. Actually, already I have unboxed it, so right now again I am going to open it. So let me open it to you. Well, this is a certificate from the CEO of YouTube. I can show you. It's written that you have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 1 lakh people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They are inspired, challenged, or entertained. By the way, you can read it. I show you. Actually, this letter wrote by YouTube CEO. Wow, it's my actual play button, you can see. So actually right now I am feeling good, and it's written that, you can read it. Presented to SaimoN Islam for passing 1 lakh subscribers YouTube. Anyway, I would like to say one thing. SaimoN Islam, it's not my channel name, it's my name. Actually, when I applied for it, that time I replaced my name to my channel name. So I hope you understand. Welcome back again. I am thankful to you all because you subscribe me, you support me. So that's why today right now I am holding this award. So thank you all, and thank you YouTube for giving me it. And actually my second channel's play button is coming soon. Actually I have multiple channels, so please pray for me. And by the way, in my next video I will share with you how I got this play button award. So if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe, and if you already did this, thank you so much. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.